Yeah. Do it. Ooh. You can do it, buddy. Oh. Oh, I want to flip you over, but I'm scared you're gonna bite because you're already kind of upset. Your wings look intact. You can get out of there. You'll be fine. Push, bud, push. He like sticks. You can do it. Oh, you almost flipped over. Come on. You're overtired. Oh, there's got to be a stick or something. Oh, can you do it on your own? Come on. I'm gonna flip you over, and please don't attack me. Oh, there's another one. Oh no, it's a dragonfly. Okay. Come on, you got it. Push. All right. Don't freak out. You see, you're mostly flipped over, dude. Come on. 5. Oh, please don't attack me. Come on, flip over. Ooh. Come on, flip over. You can do it. Oh!
You're just spinning in circles.
I know, he just needs to flip over and he'll probably be okay. He can push out. I just don't want it to flip out and come at me. Alright, little dude. You're gonna see you almost get on your stomach over and over. Come on. Now don't get tired. We can do this. Why don't you just grab the stick and I'll throw it. Oh, grab the stick. Grab it. Grab it, 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 grab it. Ah!
Oh yeah, you did, I think.
At least you're off the pavement and you can work on it.
But it's flipping itself over again.
Is it burying itself? It's hanging on. That means it's... Are you going to bury?
It's just like, nah, I'm gonna give up.
I mean, at least it's off the hot pavement. It can rest and then try again. That is real dangerous for bugs because it gets so hot it will cook them if they can't get up.
But it's okay.